बचपन से मम्मी ने एक बात सिखाई है। जिंदगी में हम्बल रहो, डाउन टू अर्थ रहो, अपनी तारीफ खुद कभी नहीं करते। एंड शायद यही तो बात थी जो मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही सीरियसली ले ली। एंड व्हेन आई वेंट फॉर माय फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू ड्यूरिंग कैंपस प्लेसमेंट्स, जब इंटरव्यूइंग पैनल ने मुझसे मेरी स्ट्रेंथ्स पूछी, आई फाउंड माई सेल्फ इन अ फिक्स and continued to look at the ceiling for a while. And after a thought, I said, I believe that I want to become a great human being in my life. I swear I did that and still can't forget the reaction of the interviewing panel back then. Hi, I'm Divya Khanna, and today we shall be discussing how to answer one of the most frequently asked questions in any interview. What are your strengths? जो गलती मैंने और बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स ने की, हम वो गलती दोबारा नहीं करेंगे. First of all, banish your modest internal editor while answering this question. Keep that for your friends and family. Don't go with the pleasant to work with kind of personality as your main selling point. अरे, almost all of us can be pleasant to work with. तुम्हें ये बताना है what value are you going to add to the organization and the position. Also while telling, make sure कि वही strength बताओ that you truly possess. Don't tell some general strengths that 90% of people will tell about themselves. जैसे, don't say, hi, I'm hardworking, I'm dedicated, I love my work. Be specific. This will make you more likable as well as convincing. So you can actually prepare for this question in 3 quick steps. Number 1, brainstorm. सबसे पहले इंटरव्यू के लिए प्रिपेयर करते टाइम मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ टॉप 10 स्ट्रेंथ्स दैट यू possess. Jot them down and ध्यान में रखना that आपकी strengths can be related to 3 things. A, your experience, B, your talent, and C, your soft skills. Experience में you can talk about experience with a certain software or type of task, expertise in a particular industry, a track record of working with similar products or clients. Talents में तुम अपनी abilities बता सकते हो, जैसे programming in a desired language, writing proposals, litigating cases, organizing events. सच कहूँ तो there are endless possibilities इस केस में. Soft skills में you can tell about your skills such as problem solving, influencing, team building, managing depending upon your job profile. कहती हूँ ना हर बार, research करके जाओ कंपनी के बारे में, जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन के बारे में अच्छे से पढ़ो एंड अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स को उसी हिसाब से फिट इन कर दो. अच्छा, if you have trouble coming up with enough work related strengths, jot down some positive personality traits like, you can be more adaptive, you can be flexible, you can be a quick learner, you can multitask, you can be trustworthy, credible, dependable, and so on. Point number 2. Now focus. अब जो long list बनाई थी उसे थोड़ा narrow down कर दो to 5 most important strengths that you are comfortable discussing or could get comfortable discussing with a little bit of practice. The more you practice, the better it is. Stand in front of the mirror, observe your body language, make sure to go easy with your hand gestures, avoid stiff body language while you're answering the questions. Number 3, support your answer with a proof. देखो, जब पता ही है कि जॉब चाहिए है तो कोई भी बोल सकता है that I am very passionate, या I am great at managing large teams, या I am great at managing people. The point is, how will you make yourself believable? To make yourself sound more genuine, अपनी past achievements and experiences बताओ, जिससे ये पता लगे that you truly possess those strengths. इंटरव्यूअर्स भी बिल्कुल कानून की तरह होते हैं, सबूत दोगे तो ही विश्वास करेंगे. चलो, now let's take a few examples to see how can we answer this question impeccably. ध्यान में रखना, the answer shouldn't be longer than 90 seconds. No rambling. Is that okay? Okay. अगर तुम एक मार्केटिंग प्रोफाइल के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो तुम बोल सकते हो, I believe that I am highly organized and very good at keeping a department running. I know the kind of issues that come up in a busy marketing department, and I actually enjoy the detailed work of scheduling, prioritizing, organizing, and following up. I'm also a very creative person. I think that really comes in handy in marketing, and especially at an innovative company like this one. I'm known for coming up with creative solutions to problems, like when I came up with an amazing online contest for xyz.com. It led to tons of new signups on the site and a huge Instagram following. अब देखो हमने क्या किया. हमने पहले मार्केटिंग प्रोफाइल से रिलेटेड स्ट्रेंथ्स बताई कि मैं ऑर्गेनाइज्ड हूँ, मुझे अच्छे से प्रायोरिटाइज और ऑर्गेनाइज करना आता है, एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली मैं हूँ बहुत क्रिएटिव. एंड सारी ये स्ट्रेंथ्स वो थी जो जॉब प्रोफाइल से रिलेटेड थी. नेक्स्ट हमने अपनी क्रिएटिविटी का प्रूफ दिया बाय टेलिंग कैसे आर क्रिएटिविटी लेड टू न्यू साइन अप्स ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. ऐसे हमने आंसर करना है अपना क्वेश्चन व्हाट आर योर स्ट्रेंथ्स. एक और एग्जांपल देखते हैं. यू आर अगर अप्लाइंग फॉर द पोजीशन ऑफ अ टीम लीडर किसी भी डिपार्टमेंट से रिलेटेड, तो तुम बोल सकते हो आई एम वेरी टीम ओरिएंटेड with great interpersonal and communication skills. I love collaborating and communicating with people, and I'm known for being the kind of person you can always count on in a pinch. I remember when I led a team of 25 people in my previous organization, how self-motivated the team was, so much so that we got the award for the Performers of the Year after bagging 5 massive projects for the company. तो यहाँ पे चाहे किसी भी डिपार्टमेंट के लिए आप टीम लीडर की पोजीशन के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो, you have a concrete proof of your strengths, and that is what is going to make you so original and so confident. So if you are going for an interview, get ready to tell these strengths in the most original possible manner, with an easy body language, open gestures, a steady eye contact, and also with a strong proof. I know that you are going to crack your job interview. All the very best, and let me know in the comment section what more can we come up with. Do not forget to hit the like button if you liked our video, and also please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.